what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways I style my turban, my everyday turban, my on-the-go turban. Like, I don't know, whenever, maybe a program or something, you know. Let me style it for you guys to see wherever you want to rock this turban. Okay, so if you haven't, before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And yeah guys, let's get right into the video. So I have this animal print turban here. I mean scarf. It's so beautiful. So this scarf is very beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it, not into 2 though, but 1/3, as you can see, and then put that on my head like so. Guys, ignore any background noise. Okay, the left side is going to be shorter than the right side. Okay, I'm not going to make a knot. I'm just going to cross it over like that, and then yeah, this is what we have here. This is the first style. So I'm going to go ahead and take this bit right here and then put that over my head like that, and then tuck the excess fabric in like so. And now I'm going to take the longest one, this bit right here, and then, you know, fold it into 2 like that. And then, you know, I'm going to make a pleat, like a small pleat. So I'm doing this to form the pleat. So after that, I'll put that over my head as well. So you can choose to put it on it like straight like this, or you can choose to, you know, curve it like this, you know, to give it that V shape. But you know, anyhow you want to do it. So I'm going to put it on it like that to give me that V shape, and then put it at the back. So you just have to then, you know, bring it forward like that, and then put it across like that again, and then tuck it in like so. Just have to finesse around it to, you know, kind of make sure everything is in the right proportion or whatever, like everything is neatly or in the right place, neatly, you know, done, you know. So guys, here you go. This is the first one, so you can play around with it. And yeah, this is what I have here, you know. So now let's move on to the second one. So guys, for the second one, we are going to have, you know, the length of both sides being equal. So I'm going to just, you know, basically cross it over at the back. So I've crossed it over like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take it like this, you know, take it like this, and then this side also like this, and then, you know, kind of twist it, you know, twist it once and twice, and that's it. You know, I'm taking this one to the back like that, and then, you know, tuck it at the back like so. Take the other side as well, and then, you know, tuck it at the back as well. I'm going to tuck it. So I'm going to fix the front part. We are not done yet. This is the second look, guys. This is the second look. So this style can be rocked to anywhere, being at work, grocery store, I don't know, a program, wherever, you know, and you want to look put together. This turban, like, I feel like turbans, you know, can be rocked anywhere, you know, as far as you have your makeup on, your nice outfit, you know. This is the look for you. So yeah, let me go ahead and do the last, you know, and final one, you know, final style, the last and final style. So what I did was, you know, I folded it into 1/3, and then I brought it, you know, forward like this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and twist it like twice. Okay, twist it like this, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to take one side of the fabric, this the left one first, and then wrap it around all the way to the back, and then bring it forward break, you know, this, I'm going to leave this one hanging like this, and then bring it all the way to the front, and then I'm basically wrapping it around, okay? And then I'm going to tuck the excess fabric in like that. So I'm going to take the next one and then wrap it around like that, wrap it around as well. So yeah, this is also going to be wrapped around. So this is, it looks like, you know, it's more or less like, you know, the first one. It's a bit similar to the first one, I mean the previous one I just did, but you know, the results are different. So this is how this one is looking. You know, you can choose to bring this forward like that, and yeah, this is how we are looking. So guys, this is the last and final, you know, turban wrap. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your post notification bell, that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah guys, hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.